I'm a cookbook author and recipe developer, and I'm a big believer that there's no such thing as too many aprons. Thank you to the brand for sending me this sample. I want to go through and answer some of the questions that you probably have about this product because they're the same ones that I had and I have about most aprons. So hopefully I can help you decide if this is the right product for you. Because this is a denim material, I was really worried about like the quality of the material. It is so soft, really great quality denim. You know what I'm talking about? Sometimes it's super stiff. This has felt like it's been washed like 30 times. It's super soft, but it's also not thin. For an apron, you want something that is thick. So really good quality denim here. Before I put it on for you, I want to show you like the design of the straps because I love the way that they have designed this. So when I first got it, I thought it was just, you know, tie around your neck, but you actually feed the straps. You can cross them in the back through like these little loops here on the side so that when you put it on, it crosses in the back, right? And so that you can do my favorite way to wear an apron, tie it in the front. And I absolutely love this design. So this is what it looks like on, okay? Plenty, I can tie it in a bow, plenty of space. Let's talk pockets because pockets matter. First off, there's a loop here on the side that has a 3-inch width, so you can put tongs in here or any other tools. And now we have 3 pockets across the front, 8 inches deep. And then as far as a width, we have 2 inches over here. We have 5 inches over here, and then a nice big wide 7-inch one. So really, really nice. I like how high it comes up because again, when I'm cooking, when I'm baking, I have a big mess. So I like that it's high, it will keep my clothes clean. Let's talk length. I'm gonna back up here. So I do have like shorts on and a little skirt or a little top on, but this goes, I'm about 5'4½", and this goes right to the tops of my knees. But I'll be honest, I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting such a really great quality. I had intended of maybe giving this to my son before he leaves for college here in the fall, but I think I'm gonna give him one of my other ones and then I'm gonna keep this one. It's really, really nice. So if you're in the market for an apron, this is a definite yes for me, worth the price, really good quality and super soft material and amazing pockets. Go for it.